Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Umzu Sensolin GLP-1, a supplement marketed for blood sugar and weight control, but one that also comes with warnings about side effects. We tested it and here's the truth. Sensolin contains natural extracts like cinnamon, berberine, and banaba, all designed to regulate blood sugar and support GLP-1 activity. On paper, it looks promising for metabolism. When we used it, we did feel fewer cravings and better energy stability after meals, but at the same time, bloating and mild stomach upset were noticeable during the first week, which is something most marketing doesn't mention. The pros are that it supports healthy blood sugar, helps reduce sugar cravings, and aligns with natural GLP-1 activity. The cons are possible nausea, bloating, and the fact that results take time and may not be dramatic for everyone. Overall, Umzu Sensolin works as a supportive supplement, but it's not without drawbacks. If you're sensitive to digestive issues, you may want to test it carefully. This has been how to learn you keep things smart and simple and scam-free.